Hey again, welcome to the channel. Today we'll talk about how to job search on LinkedIn to get a better career in 2022 and 2023. LinkedIn is being extremely kind to myself and it granted me yet another premium access for 1 month, and not only can I use that premium account for searching leads for my business, I can also use premium accounts for job search. And I know many of you are looking for some career advice, and this is what I'm actually consulting as well about, so go and check out my Patreon coaching program. Today we'll check out what actually this career premium account on LinkedIn looks like and how to job search on LinkedIn using that premium account. So when you go to your LinkedIn page, you can see that here you are able to upgrade to LinkedIn Premium, and in my case I can try Premium for free. And like I've told you in that old video of mine, you can get any premium account according to what you need in the moment. For example, if you need to boost your career, that is this premium. Or if you need to boost your business, then this is a different version of LinkedIn Premium account. So let's try our career, retry Premium free. And after I put in my payment details, I can start my free trial. Welcome to Premium, continue. And here they start to help you customizing your premium profile according to your chosen option, and that is boosting your career. Done. Firstly, LinkedIn welcomes you in Premium Career Group, and in this group you can exchange your opinions with people like you who are searching for career boost and who are trying to find better option and who have all sorts of questions that they help to answer each other. So here we go. So you can use this group to find answers to any questions you might have. Now, how can you use your premium features? You go to your profile, you click on account premium features. In case you've chosen some other premium variation of what LinkedIn provides, they'll call it differently. For example, in my case, I have LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, and it's a different kind of LinkedIn premium account. And I've been telling about this quite a lot on this channel, so let's concentrate on getting better job. Now, firstly, let me stress that LinkedIn Career account costs less than other premium products like, say, Sales Navigator. So Career only costs like $25 per month. And what does it get you? Firstly, you're able to send anyone an email, even to people not within your network. And you have 5 emails per month to send to some decision makers or head of HRs or whoever you think is the most suitable person in the company to hire you. Secondly, you can now see who has viewed your profile. For example, you have a number of visitors to your profile, among which you may face hiring managers or project managers or other people looking for people like you to join their team, and who might not contact you for one reason or another, but you might contact them instead. So this option is quite useful to understand what type of people do you attract, and if you attract wrong type of people, maybe it's time to tweak your profile a little. Now, another feature that LinkedIn provides for career premium users is job search smarter with top applicants recommendations, and this feature recommends you better job postings where you are a top applicant and where you are most likely to get hired. Now, another feature is see how you rank with applicant insights, and let me show you how it works. For example, I go to this tab, which is now available, called Jobs, where I search, say, by title DevOps Manager or Lead DevOps or whatever, and they are showing me, so firstly, what they do, they are recommending me the jobs where I am already among the top applicants. And when I go to, say, the first job, and I have already opened this in another tab, I can see that here are some premium features where you can see how you compare to other applicants. And firstly, you see how many applicants have already applied. I can see all the data regarding to the position. For example, the applicant seniority level. I can also see where the top applicants are located. I can see what the trend of hiring inside this company is. So I can see all the data that might interest me as an applicant and whether at all I should be applying. By the way, my name is Olga, and on this channel we talk all sorts of IT businesses, IT careers, online businesses and online careers. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button to help me grow this channel so that more people could see this video and reach their career goals. And we are back to our premium accounts. Now, another LinkedIn premium feature is LinkedIn Learning. And as you can see, I have this tab now available. I go to open link in a new tab. I'll show you that in a minute. But that means that you have an access to new skills and new courses on LinkedIn. And that is all for $20 per month. So you get both these job data analytics and both the access to LinkedIn Learning Center for just $21 per month. And this is how LinkedIn Learning Center looks like. Here's your homepage where you can browse for different courses, business, creative, technology, for different roles, for different topics. For example, I'm interested in technology and I'm interested in, so cloud computing, say. This one is interesting, get ahead in DevSecOps. So what do they have to offer? So I can start learning this course, almost 6 hours worth of content, so I can learn any course I want. LinkedIn actually provides high quality courses in terms of quality for sure. I mean, quality of video, audio, materials that they provide, so totally recommend having that. Another LinkedIn premium career feature is stay in the know with company insights, where you can get exclusive insights into all sorts of companies on LinkedIn. I mean, all of the companies who have registered on LinkedIn. Then you're able to make better decisions by keeping tabs on your competitors' growth and hiring trends. You are able to improve your interview skills with interview preparation tools. And let's see how it works. Perform your best in your next interview. Common interview questions, how to approach answers, examples of strong answers with LinkedIn Premium. Okay, continue. And here are all sorts of questions that might be asked on your interview. Tell me about a time you were successful in a team. Example answers, which is perfect because many times, bigger companies tend to ask behavioral questions, which is insane because yes, they are not only evaluating your tech skills, your soft skills, but also they make some sort of behavioral analysis, I guess, and sometimes you really don't know what would be the best thing to answer. And here you go, you have all sorts of example answers for all sorts of behavioral questions. The next thing that comes with your subscription is put your best foot forward with a strong resume. Improve your resume with keyword insights. And that is extremely important, and make sure to go and watch this video of mine where I talk about how to craft the resume, including those keywords and including all things that bigger companies tend to analyze. And they have these analytical systems where they just put your resume and it just defines whether or not you're a good fit. So the first gatekeeper for you is actually those systems and not the HR themselves. And they have an entire course dedicating to that, and they just help you to craft a better resume. Now, another one, stay private while viewing other profiles. And this is important if you don't want your current employer to know that you're looking for other options. Another feature is sort of a tip to stay open to new opportunities with open profile. You can turn it on or off, because when you turn it on, there is a possibility that your current employer would see you somehow. If that's nothing that you would like to hide, this is a good one to let the recruiters know that you are open. Also, LinkedIn will send out contextual tips to suggest key action for you to accomplish your goals faster. And I recommend you trying those tips because LinkedIn does its best, with this artificial intelligence thing and recommendation systems. So you'd better use their recommendations. And of course, you can display your premium badge to signal that you're serious about making new connections and finding a new job. And if you're actively looking for a job, this is something that you should turn on for sure. Now, all this in itself is quite a good value for $20 per month. Indisputably good thing about this Career Premium account is that firstly, you can contact people that are not within your network. You can see who's viewed your profile. Top applicant recommendations is also great. There is this LinkedIn Learning bonus that you can access any course on LinkedIn that you might want to go through, and then you will actually put it in your profile in your licenses and certifications tab, where you will show what courses you took and what learning and what skills you got, just like you can do with Udemy, with Coursera and other certified online courses platforms. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, smash the like button, consider subscribing for more career and business tips. Go and watch this playlist next, where I talk in details how to get your home-based job if this is something you're interested in, and how to get your IT career, specifically your first IT career. So go and check out this playlist of mine. I'll see you there. Stay safe. Bye.